Could pick up these ready-made, small accessories which are in the form of drawers or racks or whatever, and you can kind of compartmentalize this. It makes life a lot easy because it's easy to kind of, organize stuff there. Then let me see what it is. Okay, so you can have a sliding door wardrobe for space optimization. Let's say you have an old school, wardrobe which has got doors which open up. So if there's enough space, you can have a sliding door. So if you have a sliding door, that not only saves your space but also gives you a sleek and a modern look. A lot of apartments in India and other countries and other cities all across the world, you have space issues because what they do is that they don't give you this space to kind of have more of balcony area or more of a sitting area before it. So what people do is that they kind of break down their walls and they kind of extend those. So if you don't want to do that, the alternate is that you can actually do away with the wall and the doors and the windows which are in that area, and you can have like a free flow or easy to kind of maintain. You can have a mirrored gate, or you can have a mirrored door that's going to kind of give more energy and more light into the room. Glasses are not very easy to maintain, but then in today's world, life is a lot easier because you have options of also kind of having glasses, not glasses, but material which looks like glass. So that creates an illusion of more space and stuff. But let's say if you have a space which is above the head level, then you can basically have probably glasses put there, and the bottom of your room can be with some other design and stuff. So then, what else? So then you have lighting. Lighting is a very important role. So lighting is something which is going to be altering how you feel when you're reading, when you're watching TV. If you have children, if you have pets, if you are a family, then you need more lights because children want to read, play, you want to kind of watch TV, and you don't want to kind of get your eyesight weakened by being in poor light and stuff. And great lighting always helps you because if you come from a happening or a pretty positive area, you walk into a house or a space which has got less lights, and you'll notice that your whole energy level kind of goes down and you start feeling a little like probably irritated or not that good. That's because it's the lighting many a times and stuff. It happens to people like me and many others. We come back from a gym, we come back from a mall, we come back from an office, and the moment we walk into, let's say, somebody's house or a place where there's less light, after 5 minutes of resting or something, you start kind of feeling a little, not so great, and you kind of feel sleepy and stuff like that. So this is the tip for that. Then you have a lot of green plants because climate change is a big concern, and flowers and plants naturally add a lot of value and uplifting, a vibe to the room. So there's this concept called flora architecture, which is big time in now. And then you have biodesign, and you have natural beautification of rooms, which is, I mean, I followed looking at Japanese and other countries and stuff. So they used to have these beautiful, big size flower arrangements and stuff. And if you walk into a hotel, you go into a lobby, you go into an embassy, you go into somebody's house, which is in a multi-storied building or a luxurious apartment and stuff, you have beautiful flowers and everything, and they have nice racks where they kind of arrange your stuff. So if you want to kind of complement your own, let's say, a sitting space, or maybe your drawing room, or maybe your bedroom with that kind of an idea, that's also a great bet because when you add flowers and you have, let's say, you have greenery. This is one simple thing. It's something which I have done at home. It's so easy. This is just a regular glass bottle because plastic is out. You just plant, or you just kind of have, easy to maintain plants like this one. We all know this. It's a money plant. In case somebody new is watching, it's a money plant. So this is, see how it's growing. You can have a series of plants here. You can have your own favorite photo albums. You can have your own lighting. You can have your own display of maybe bookends, or you can have books. You can have mugs. You can have coasters or whatever. So that's a great tip. And then of course you have you have